Thank you very much. Now I am going to discuss again the line, shape and pattern. This is my second lecture in the line of this title. Now, but here the main topic is line, shapes and pattern. But line I have discussed in the first lecture. Now this is the second lecture where we are going to discuss two-dimensional and three-dimensional shape. That is very, very important. So first I will make a difference between 2D and 3D, two-dimensional, three-dimensional. So here I have just written the two-dimensional shape here I am going to discuss, which is generally known as plane shape. For example, suppose if you are discussing only a wall where it has a length and breadth, it is a two-dimensional figure. And three-dimensional figure means here we are mentioning the solid shape. Solid shape matlab unless you don't have filled up, suppose this is a room, it is filled with the air, or it is filled with the water, or it is a only concrete shape, solid shape. This is 3D. One-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional. This is called the three-dimensional solid shape. One-dimensional means point, two-dimensional means line, three-dimensional means three lines, two lines. So that is how I am doing. First example of two-dimensional figure is triangle. Triangle means number of sides is equal to 3, name is ABC, all the sides has 3 line segment, and number of corners that the 2 points met at one point, it is number of 3, and name of the triangle is known as this sign and ABC. This is going to be used throughout the life. Now the second plane shape is square or rectangle. Here I have made the square. Rectangle I will discuss it. It is square means number of side is 4, which is equal side. Number of corner 4, name of the square ABCD. Here they don't mention the square. So that is how you can find out A is a corner, B is a corner, C is a corner, D is a corner. And sides are AB, BC, CD. All these two figure is made by the line segment or straight line. Now once will come for three-dimensional figure, just see, it is just cube games are well known to the each students. And if you just see, you will find that all the sides are equal. And there are, all edges are equal in length. And there are 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 12. All faces are equal, has 6 faces. It has 8 vertices. So there is 8 vertices. Similarly, if you are going to have cuboid, difference between cube and cuboid is that only one length is bigger. That means opposite faces are equal but has one square face. Sides are equal face. Number of edges 12, number of vertices 8, number of faces 6. So this is the difference between the 2D and 3D, and in one word you can say that 3D has a solid shape and 2D don't have solid shape. Now I will give another example. I will just example of a rectangle. Three. Now rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is corner, this is side, अब देखिए नंबर ऑफ साइड सेम एज स्क्वायर साइड, नो 4, the opposite sides are equal. See, two unequal side. The number of corners is equal to 4. Sometimes it is called what this is. Here A, B, C and D. अब इसको जो है आप बोलेंगे रेक्टेंगल ए बी सी डी, ये आपका जो है 2 डायमेंशनल का है। और फोर्थ जो है 2 डायमेंशनल का होगा आपका जो है सर्किल। कैसे बनाएंगे? ऐसे बनाएंगे। अगर कोई पूछे कि इसमें साइड्स कितने हैं, वर्टेक्स कितने हैं, कॉर्नर कितने हैं, तो इसमें सभी में आंसर आएगा नो। देखिए ये आपका जो है पहला है, ये कर्व्ड शेप है, कर्व्ड शेप है। अब इसी का मैं ले रहा हूं नंबर ऑफ साइड्स 2, इक्वल टू 0। नंबर ऑफ कॉर्नर इक्वल टू 0। नंबर ऑफ एजेस so for class 3 students only 4 plane shapes has been discussed, which I have described here. But as far as 3D shape is concerned, there are more than 4 3D shape which is covered in class 3 students. I have mentioned cube, and I have also mentioned the cuboid. Now I am going to mention cone. Third is the cone. So I think cone is famous to all the students. Suppose if you are making like this, here they might be understanding cone shape of ice cream. This shape is filled with the solid material, that is the ice cream. So because of that, it is 3D dimensional. It is not 2D dimensional. So here, this is curved edges, this is flat surface, flat surface, TE रहेगा फ्लैट सरफेस. This is also curved face. देखिए हमसे भी लिखने में गड़बड़ा जा रहा है. कर्व्ड शेप कर दीजिए, फेस कर दीजिए, कर्व फेस रहेगा, कर्व फेस रहेगा, शेप तो पूरा है ये. ये आपका वर्टेक्स. सो अब यहां पर लिख लीजिए, फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ एज is equal to 1. Number of vertices vertex equal to 1. Number of flat shape, number of flat face 1/4. Number of curved face इसमें सभी 1/1 है. अब थर्ड तो कौन हो गया आपका जो है, और फोर्थ देखिए आएगा आपका जो है सिलेंडर. This shape has also been observed by the students in any marriage party. The water tank always in a cylindrical shape. So this is this shape. अब यहां देखिए, ये आपका जो फ्लैट फेस. अब देखिए यहां पर जो कर्व्ड एज, कर्व्ड एज, और ये क्या है, कर्व्ड फेस. एंड सो ऑन. अब देखिए हियर फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ एजेस EDGEG इज इक्वल टू 2. ये आपका EDG है, 1 एज और 2 एज. नंबर ऑफ फ्लैट फेस 2, 1 above 1 below. Third, number of curved face is equal to 1. और fourth, number of edges is equal to 0. This is, you can say, the fourth one on the line. So I have made so far 4 plane shape and 4 solid shape, but there are more solid shape also, which I am not deleting this one also, because I will just say that there is no other plane shape of 2-dimensional for class 3. This is only for class 3. And solid shape will be more than 4, which I am going to discuss further. 4, no, fifth. Fifth, यहाँ पर लिखेंगे nil. This is only for class third, not class fourth. अब देखिए फिफ्थ क्या है? स्फेयर. अब स्फेयर बनाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन एक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हम बना रहे हैं, सर्किल कर दिया जाता है और यहाँ पर जस्ट ऐसे ऐसे आपका जो है, जिसको आप फुटबॉल कह सकते हैं, स्फेयर का मतलब जो है ये फुटबॉल. ये बहुत फेमस है, फुटबॉल लड़कों को क्लास में खिलाया जाता है. अब इसमें देखिए यहाँ पर अब आपको देखना होगा कि इसमें नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितने हैं. नंबर ऑफ, देयर इज नो नंबर ऑफ एजेस. नंबर ऑफ कर्व फेस स्टूडेंट को बता देना चाहिए, इक्वल टू 1. नंबर ऑफ फ्लैट शेप, जीरो. नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस, also 0. This is all about, and if this is up to the class 3 students, 4 2-dimensional and 5 3-dimensional, this is only going to be discussed in class 3. Now I will have some, you can say this question answer session, and after this I will discuss. Thank you very much.